Hello and welcome back to Gentle Zeus. Today we want to unbox the new Apple Watch Series 5. It's my first, to be honest. I was never the biggest fan of the Apple Watch, also when I worked a lot in tech, but let's see. It always comes in a really nice white package, which is lovely. It's always nice to unbox Apple products, and they're really handy. Here we have the strap and the Apple Watch as well. Let's start with that. The watch comes as always with the instructions. Some nice illustrations in there. It comes with the 5-watt power adapter for fast charging, which is nice, and the magnetic charging cable and adapter. And it comes in a really nice suede pouch, which is really nice and helpful. And it definitely helps to keep away scratches and dust, like the plastic on top. So let's get rid of that, and yeah, it looks really well made, and feels good. I think the case is a bit bigger than the last series in terms of height, width, and also the weight is a bit higher. We have as well the watch strap, and this comes in a black sporty version. It's also nice, well made. The packaging is always so thoughtful, and the black is actually not so black as I thought. It's more a dark gray, and I'll keep the smaller watch bands. I haven't the biggest wrists, to be fair. And the adapter as well, it's really nice and well made. It fits just perfectly in, and it also feels really well when the watch band snaps in. The sport version is nice, but I'll probably not gonna wear it for sports and events. I think I will change it in a bit for a handmade and well designed leather watch band. Let's try to put the thing on. The watch band is well made, but maybe more fan of leather watch straps also on that Apple Watch. But it fits really well. It's good. It's a nice feeling. It's a bit heavier as the last one. I've just tried the last one, but never really actually worn it. So yeah, let's remove the straps and change them to real ones. Yeah, it's always nice to detach them and attach new ones, and it's really handy. It's always a bit an effort to change watch straps on vintage watches, but here it's just so easy, and it's also really nice to just change them from day to day. Here we go. It's one of our handmade leather watch strap. It's a Japanese leather that is really well tanned in a traditional way, and as you can see here, it's also really buttery smooth, and it's a kind of improvement for the watch, I would say. The leather watch strap is really helpful when you want to combine the watch as well with a suit or a more elegant look. And it's also really nice to change the watch face, and it comes in tons of different options. It's nice to play around, but you have just too much options here. We will discover the watch more in a different episode. For now, it should be enough. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. If you like, hit the like button, and please subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you soon.